So guys, Sel Beyonce has decided to leave Ukhozi FM after serving the radio station for 13 years, guys. Sel Beyonce has decided to pursue his career somewhere else, guys. So guys, this was his final show. Here's the video, guys, saying goodbye to the audience or to the radio station listeners.
43 emsakazeni Ukhozi FM 17 minutes to 4 o'clock kusela ku 90.1 kuya ku 107.4 iWNB uLesithathu mhla ka 18 kuJune 2005 no 2025 my word yeah Sandu kwamkela ohleleni lokugcina ngci lami Sel Beyonce emsakazeni Ukhozi FM Sel Beyonce Kisses farewell show wow yes
sabona ke emotweni sabona emsebenzini sabona ke efletini sabona ke emalokishini kuzenza zonke nje indawo amavula ukhoza FM lesikhathi sebekelela sinawe nje kamnandi kuze kushala phela ke ihora lesithupha kusihla sindawonye siphethe ke ingoma zethu zimnandi ngendlela abangalisayo siyafanelisa ukukhabazela namhlanje awu kuphela awu khabazela
silalela ubuphupha laze lalideke kodwa leli phupha
before 4 o'clock asabe sengoma eyiqala ngaphambi silapha Sel Beyonce ke sibuye sithi ke bambelela siyajika nengoma embili evuthayo esiphethe namhlanje
oh yes
Burna Boy champion boy hey Burna Boy burning you go in Burna Boy champion boy burning all right burning
okay so she champion boy I mean ain't no boy and said champion boy
when
oh yeah oh no see oh
wow
Bye, Selby.
Oh, thank you, my love. Nam gamina I'm like
Nizibonele ke guys, it was his farewell guys. So angeke siphinde simbone kuKhozi FM or angeke siphinde sizwe iphimbo lakhe kuKhozi FM. Bekuyi-farewell yakhe guys. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video.